IoT or Internet of Things technology refers to the network of physical objects, things embedded with sensors, softwares, and other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other devices and systems over the Internet. These things can range from everyday household items like smart thermostats and refrigerators to industrial equipment, vehicles, and wearable technology. Here's a breakdown of key aspects. First, connectivity. Connectivity, the core of IoT, is the ability of device to connect to the Internet in each other. Second, data collection and processing. IoT devices collect data from their environment through sensors, temperature, humidity, location, etc. Third, automation and control. The collected and processed data can be used to automate tasks and control devices. For example, a smart home system can automatically adjust lighting and temperature based on occupations. Applications. IoT has a vast range of applications across various sectors including smart homes, healthcare, manufacturing, transportation, agriculture. Last, data security and privacy. A major concern with IoT is the security and privacy of the data collected by these devices. In short, IoT technology connects everyday objects to the Internet, enabling data collection, automation, and remote control with significant implications for various industries and aspects of daily life. However, it's crucial to address the security and privacy challenges associated with this technology. The Internet of Things offers numerous advantages but also presents significant disadvantages. Here's a balanced look at both. Advantages: improve efficiency and productivity. IoT devices automate tasks, optimize processes, and provide real-time data, leading to increased efficiency and productivity in various sectors. Enhance convenience and comfort. Smart homes, wearable technology, and connected appliances offer greater convenience and comfort in daily life. Better decision making. The wealth of data collected by IoT devices allows for data-driven decision making. Businesses can gain valuable insights into customer behavior, operational efficiency, and market trends. Cost savings. Automation and optimization through IoT can lead to significant cost savings in the long run, reducing energy consumption, labor costs, and material waste. Improve safety and security. IoT devices can enhance safety and security in various contexts, such as smart home, security systems, connected vehicles with safety features, and industrial equipment, monitoring for potential hazards. Remote monitoring and control. IoT allows for remote monitoring and control of devices and systems, enabling proactive maintenance, timely interventions, and improved management of resources. New business opportunities. The IoT ecosystem has created numerous new business opportunities in areas such as device manufacturing, data analysis, and application development. And these are also disadvantages. Security risks. IoT devices are vulnerable to hacking and cyber attacks, potentially leading to data breaches, systems failures, and privacy violations. Privacy concerns. The vast amount of data collected by IoT device raises significant privacy concerns. Data may be collected and used without users' knowledge or consent, potentially leading to misuse or profiling. Complexity and interoperability. It's crucial to carefully consider both the disadvantages and advantages of IoT before implementing in any content. Addressing security and privacy concern is paramount to ensure responsible and ethical use of this technology. I would use IoT in my daily life primarily for its convenience, efficiency, and safety benefits, while carefully mitigating the risk to privacy and security. It enhances convenience, improves efficiency, increase safety and security. Better health management, seamless information access. It's important to note that these benefits are contingent upon addressing the inherent of risks of IoT, such as data privacy and security vulnerabilities. I would carefully choose devices from reputable manufacturers with strong security and privacy policies to ensure responsible and safe usage. The Internet of Things has the potential to be both good and bad for society. It offers numerous advantages but also presents significant challenges that need to be addressed. In conclusion, IoT has the potential to significantly impact society, offering both opportunities and challenges. To maximize the benefits and mitigate the risks, it's crucial to develop and implement IoT responsibility, prioritizing security, privacy, and ethical considerations. This requires collaboration between governments, businesses, and individuals to establish clear regulations, promote responsible data handling practices, and ensure that the benefits of IoT are accessible to all. Again, I am Kathleen Sagana, and I hope you guys enjoy my video presentation.